Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't already been on my channel, this is Tech File, where I show you how to edit So today we're going to be editing some B-roll, because last week we learned how to film B-roll and how to just kind of have fun with it, and I talked about the basics of B-roll. So today we're going to put that into practice and we're going to edit on my PC. So welcome to my PC, welcome to my private. I have my B-roll footage here. You want to adjust your volume to whatever you want. You want to start by editing your volume. So because I know that I'm just going to have music playing over this, I'm just going to go ahead and completely bring the volume down. But ideally, you want to start with your volume. Your sound, your audio is really important. I'm starting off by just choosing the clips that I think look, you know, the most pleasing to the eye. Okay, I like that. I like how my eyes are moving in sequence with it, so I'm gonna cut here because that looks a bit awkward, and you can see that my eyelash glue is showing. Alright, so I'm gonna cut that out, and then, oh, I removed the song. I'll put the song back after it. So I like that. I'm gonna take the middle part out because that's a whole lot of gyration. Okay, so I'm just cutting out the pieces that I think look the, you know, most pleasing to the eye. Okay, I like that. So I'm gonna cut hair to hair, and I'm gonna take this piece out. So when I cut those out, I have this, and I don't think there is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that. So we've cut through all of the necessary parts. I'm gonna go ahead and import some music, some audio to my video. So then after I edit the audio, I tend to go straight into editing the clips to the beat.
You can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide.
Okay, so where that beat goes, I think I'm just gonna, okay, where is it?
Get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with.
Okay, so where that beat drops 3 times, I'm going to cut it on the beat. And how you can tell that the beat changes, or how I know how to do it, is basically these change in audio. If you can see those yellow lines, that just shows me that there's a change in volume, and I know that that beat is kind of hard, so I know that it's that beat, you know?
Right.
Okay, so what I like to do is I'll take a copy of this and I'll paste it here, and then I like to layer my clips, and what I'll do is chop it in the same way that I've cut the bottom clip, and then I'll delete every other clip. So I'm gonna delete that. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it from the other way. Edit, undo, delete. I'm gonna delete this one and this one.
Ride with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me.
I always add a title because I don't know, titles just look good. So we can blade this and delete the rest. What should we call this? We're gonna call this how to create, how to edit your BRoll. Efficient. Efficient. Okay, so how to edit your BRoll, and I'm gonna put this here. Let's see. So with text, you can edit your text to like look any way that you want it to look. Well, that's really pretty. How to edit your BRoll. Okay. So I'm going to put that right there in my nostril. And you can kind of just position it in whatever way you want. Let's see how that... I think I'm gonna let it come in on a beat. So we got... I'll let it come in on that beat. And with your text, you can change, as I said, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the face, so the color. What color should this be? I'm gonna leave it at white just because, yeah, I'm gonna leave it at white just because the background is, what? I'm gonna leave it at white just because the background is brown. But you can change it to whatever color you'd like, and you can give it an outline. So let's see if we can outline this with, sorry, you can give it an outline. So you could even do, I would do a brown. And you can change the width of the outline. So yeah. That's actually really cute. Okay, so if we start it from the beginning.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride.
So I like to add a few title and text just to add a bit of oomph, and sometimes you can use text to like fill in where there's really nothing going on in the video, or just to like add better description. That's it really. So I like to just add a few text and place them in. I like to place my text in different positions so that it kind of just keeps the viewer engaged. I don't know, it provides them with like a different perspective. I don't know, you know what I mean. Jazz. thing is, with editing your own videos, you have to watch it over and over and over in order to like get it. Editing is all about just using your creative sense, but once you get like the cut and scene selection and music import, you're halfway there. So
like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal.